Did you know that 88% of millionaires are self-made? They weren't born rich. They built their wealth by thinking differently. The real question is, what do they know that most people don't? 1. Millionaires. Think long-term. The rich don't think in days or months. They think in years and decades. Jeff Bezos didn't build Amazon overnight. He focused on long-term success, even when it meant losing money at first. Most people chase quick money, lottery tickets, get-rich-quick schemes, or impulse spending. Millionaires, on the other hand, invest in the future. The question is, are you thinking long-term or just surviving day-to-day? 2. They prioritize learning over entertainment. The average millionaire reads 1 book per week. Why? Because they know that knowledge compounds, just like money. Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." While most people spend hours scrolling social media or binge-watching shows, millionaires invest time in self-education, courses, and mentors. 3. They make money work for them. The rich don't just work for money. They make money work for them. How? Through smart investments. Most people trade time for money. Millionaires buy assets, stocks, real estate, businesses that generate income even while they sleep. If you want to build wealth, start thinking like the rich. Earn, invest, and let your money grow. 4. Millionaires have powerful daily habits. Success isn't about luck. It's about daily habits. The wealthy wake up early, exercise, plan their goals, and focus on high-value tasks. On the other hand, most people wake up reacting to life, hitting snooze, rushing through the day, and wasting time on distractions. Small habits create big results. The question is, are your habits leading you toward success or keeping you stuck? 5. They surround themselves with winners. Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Millionaires surround themselves with other high achievers. If you're always around negative, broke, or unmotivated people, guess what? Their mindset rubs off on you. The rich intentionally build powerful networks. 6. They take calculated risks. The rich don't fear risk. They manage it. Most people avoid risk because they fear failure. Millionaires understand that playing it too safe is the real risk. Every successful person took calculated risks, starting a business, investing, or stepping outside their comfort zone. If you want millionaire success, you must be willing to take smart risks. 7. They take full responsibility for their life. The wealthy never blame the government, the economy, or bad luck. They take 100% responsibility for their success. If something isn't working, they adjust, learn, and move forward. The question is, are you in control of your future, or are you letting life happen to you? The millionaire mindset isn't about luck. It's about choices. The way you think, act, and invest your time determines your future. The real question is, are you thinking like the rich, or are you stuck in the habits that keep you broke?